US30 and US100, as I shared yesterday, with a drop they both try to swing and then achieve the highs, close that there at highs, now trading with a drop. Now what should be our strategies till the US cash session? Before I come up with my next analysis specifically for the US cash session on these two, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and do share it across, please. Let's start the day with US100 here. US100 on the hourly charts is looking forward to reverse a bit. See here also it has shown the reversal, but right now if you see it trading any point of time below 12500, now go short there below 12500. First target 12450, then 12400. In fact 12350 can be expected. So go short below 12500 levels. See it may try to achieve the lows of this, and this is at around 12440 levels on the same side. If you look on the hourly charts, it is trying to trade in this channel itself. 12440 to 12600 700 zone can be expected. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is at bottom looking upwards. MACD has crossed over for a sell. RSI flat on the 2-hour charts. Similar is the position. And yes, on the 2-hour charts, on the one hand, we are looking forward to a reversal signal here, and almost it is given, but be watchful of 12500. Below that, you can stay short for 12440, 12400. Below that, a fall is there. Indicators are more or less the same here. It is bullish on the directional movement. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over for a sell. RSI near to top. Similarly, on the 3-hour chart, similar is the observation there. Be watchful of 12500. Below that, yes, a good short entry will try to bring it till towards 12440, 12400, and below that a good fall can be expected. Any point of time if you see it trading below 12400, stay short further. We can expect it to drop more. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic near to top looking downwards. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell. RSI is near to top there. Similarly, on the 4-hour charts, yes, it is trying to reverse and retrace a bit. Be watchful, be careful. It can try to still get the support at 12500. Only if it trades below 12500, go short, and then one can expect it to drop. 12400 is the next target. Below 12400, be watchful of here at this level, which is at around 12. 370 and 350. Be watchful of these two. Below these two, yes, it may show you a very strong fall. So yes, till the time. Also on the upside, see, first let's have a look at more detail into the daily charts as well. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic near to top. MACD is on the verge of a crossover. RSI near to overbought levels. Now look at the daily chart. See, on the daily charts we can find out these 3 candles. See, higher highs, higher lows. The support here for the day 12440 is strong, and if it breaks below 12440, we can see a further fall. Also, one must not forget, here it is trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Here is the 200 period moving average at 12600. So be watchful of 12600, 12670, else 12700 levels may get achieved, and with the support here at 12440 is strong, and be watchful of that. Yes, you can go short for 12500 and then expect 12440, 12450 zone, and then 12400. Be watchful of these two. Beyond that, 12370 is the next support. I think in fact even if it tries to achieve 12370, we may see it reversing a little, and probably again it can show you a swing in between 12370 to 12710 levels. So it is trying to show you a swing full day, but any move below 12370 will bring more bearishness, and then it is going to crash. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent and bullish. RSI near to top. So considering this, only long entries it appears is above 12600. Only short entries below 12550. Above 12600, do not stay short. Below 12500, do not stay long. Above 12600, the next target is 12710, and on the downside below 12500, we can expect 12440 first target, 12400 as the next target, 12370 and 12370. Be watchful of 12370. Below that only we can expect a sharper fall. Take your positions accordingly. Trade accordingly. Trade with stop loss always, and keep shifting your stop loss to cost. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. See, US30 on the hourly charts is looking forward to a reversal, but I will confirm till if it breaks below 31940, go short there. Only if it trades below 31940, then you can expect 31880 levels, and in fact 31850 levels. Then 31800, which is a very strong support, will come into picture. Below that, yes, you can expect a good fall. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic is looking upwards again. MACD is bullish. RSI trading flat on the 2-hour chart. Similar is the observation. It is trying to show you a swing. See lower highs, higher lows, or rather flat bottom, and higher highs is what we can see. And on the downside, the support here at 31,850 is very strong. Below that, 31,800 is definitely a stronger support. And if you look at here on the directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover, RSI trading flat. Look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, see it is trying to give you lower highs, and we can expect it to give lower lows, can try to bring below or go below 31,940 also, and we can expect that probably the next target should be at around 31,900 and 850. If it breaks 850, we can see a further fall for 800, very strong support. Below that, it may try to drop more. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is in sell side, RSI trading flat. And on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, see the bullishness is diminishing, smaller body size. This time again it may trade flat, and then probably the reversal may occur in the next candle. Remember, it has formed a double top here almost, and in fact it is formed higher highs there, but I'll be watchful of this. See, it is trying to get the double top done at 32,000 levels, and now trying to trade with a little resistance. Possibly higher highs are also done. So one thing is clear, that bulls are losing charge out there, and probably we may see it dropping a bit till towards 13,840 before looking forward to a rise. Directional movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is crossing over for a buy, RSI trading flat. And if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see here, see this bullish move and this bullish move, there is a hell lot of difference out there, and you can find that the bulls are really not there to take the charge of it. Yes, the highs at around 32,100 could be very strong resistance there, and with that it can still try to show you things. See, the pivot here is at around 31,800. With 31,800 as pivot, it may try to show you the swing. So 31,800 will get achieved today, and below that, if it continues to drop, again you can expect 31,500 levels. On the upside, 32,100 should provide a resistance. Go short at 31,940 itself. Below 31,940, you can expect it to hit 31,900. Below that, you can expect 31,850 and 800 as the next target, and below that you can expect it to crash for 31,600, 31,500 levels. So precisely, go short at 31,950, and a larger swing between 31,700 and 32,100 can be expected. Be watchful of that. In fact, 31,500 and 32,100 can also be a good smart swing. On the upside, yes, if you see it trading beyond 32,050, go long for 32,100, and then you can expect further more rise till towards 32,200, 32,400 levels. Beyond that, we can see a sharper bullish move. So take your positions accordingly. Go long at 32,050, go short at 31,940, and do not trade for these 110 points. Trade with caution in between these. Also be watchful of 32,100 today, and be watchful of, on the downside, 31,850 today. Almost these 250 points, you have to be extra cautious. It can try to show you swing in between these 250. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution, trade with a stop loss, trade with a strict stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, 15 days, and yes, 90 minutes daily and a lifetime support is what you get. Also, you can join my VIP signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.